Hi, today we're going to talk about snow cone machines. Now it's important to note that you may have this exact machine you see here, or you might also have a blue machine called our Igloo. Both machines function the same, and both machines have the same feature, they're just different in style. Once you've rented your machine, what you're going to get is you're going to get a supply set of 50 servings. What will be in here is 4 different types of snow cone syrup, 50 snow cone cups in a bag, and then you're also going to have a snow cone scooper. And the scooper is used, of course, to pick the ice up and put it onto the cups. So let's go ahead and show you the functions of the machine and make some snow cones. Operating a snow cone machine is very simple. Here are your instructions in case you forget anything that I've discussed with you today. The first thing is that your power switch. Once you turn your power switch on, there's a light that goes on inside the machine and it readies the machine for use. The next button is your push to shave button. This is what's actually going to turn the ice blades and shave the ice. One important thing to note here is it's possible on some of the older model machines that this button will be a switch like this, and when you turn it, the motor is constantly spinning. On most of our machines, you have to actually hold this button in the on position so it becomes a two-handed operation. To make snow cones, you will need ice. Ice is not supplied by PartyTime Rentals, but you can buy a regular bag of store-bought ice in any store. What we're going to do is we're going to open up the bag and you're going to raise the lid here. Now again, this is important. Do not put your hands inside here, as that's where the blades are. You pour your ice inside the machine just like so, and you want to fill it up to a decent level. Once you have that filled, you can go ahead and close this. And what I'm going to tell you here is you want a nice firm motion. You don't want to push too hard or push too softly, just a nice firm motion. So we're going to go ahead and push this button, and I'm going to hold this button down as I push down on the machine. For purposes of the video, I'm going to open this door, but normally you would want to keep this door closed. So as I push, here we go. As you can see, as I'm shaving ice, that ice is falling into the machine here. I'm going to go ahead and shave a little bit more ice. But you just repeat the process over and over. My recommendation would be to shave an entire bag of ice, as you do not want to do one snow cone at a time, and let the ice fill up inside the machine. While it's not refrigerated, it is insulated, so the ice will stay for quite a bit of time. First thing that you want to do is take your bottles out of the container, and you want to give this a little spin till the neck pops up on the bottle. Now it's important when we're doing this, you're going to see that the liquid comes out at an angle, so push down on this slowly. To make a snow cone, what we're going to do is we're going to take our scooper, go inside the machine, and just one scoop, you're going to push down with one firm scoop onto the cone here, and then you take your bottle of syrup and you just squirt. About 3 to 4 squirts. Again, if you notice, I'm pushing this slowly, and you have your snow cones. Enjoy, and thank you for choosing PartyTime Rentals.